I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins in an Apparel pan. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and tools ready. A good non-stick Apparel pan is key for easy release. Next, prepare your favorite muffin batter. Whether it's a sweet or savory mix, having it ready beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This preparation sets you up for success. Now let's get that batter into the pan. Lightly grease each cavity of your Apparel pan with a little oil or butter to prevent sticking. Then carefully spoon your muffin batter into each section. Remember to fill them only about 2/3 full. This prevents any messy overflows as they rise, ensuring perfectly shaped muffins every time. It's a small step that makes a big difference. With your pan filled, it's time to cook. Place your Apparel pan over low to medium heat. Covering the pan with a lid helps the muffins cook evenly and thoroughly, creating a soft interior. After a few minutes, gently flip each muffin to brown the other side. This ensures a beautiful, golden finish on both sides, making them look as good as they taste. Keep an eye on them for perfect results. Your delicious Apparel pan muffins are now ready. You'll know they're done when they're golden brown and cooked through. Carefully remove them from the hot pan and let them cool slightly before enjoying. They're perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. And speaking of new things, if you love exploring new recipes and stories, check out the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals in the description below. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.